The next thing that we're going to review is area for a square and for a rectangle. So area, you should think of as the space inside a figure. So another word that I think is very similar to area is the word acre. So when you hear the word acre, that's in relation to the size of land, how many acres of land. So you should think of it as a wide open space, or in the case of area, it's the space inside a figure. Figuring out the area of a square, most of us can remember that. So if we know the sides are 4 meters, each side is 4 meters, we know that all we need to do is multiply 4 times 4 to get the area of a square. Now, when we get the area of the square, it's not meters, it's meters squared. Because when we look at the inside area, what we're doing is we're actually breaking it up. So let's say this side has 4, so we know the length here is 4. And we know the length on the other side is also 4. So what we're actually doing is we're counting up these squares on the inside of the square. So we know there are 4 rows and that there are 4 units in each row. So 4 times 4. And if we look at this, we can count up and see that there are indeed 16 square units within this square. And the same thing with the rectangle. With the rectangle, we know that there are 5 units on this side, 8 units on this side. And so we say 5 times the 8 units on the other side will tell us how many units are on the inside. So in this case, it's 40 kilometers squared on the inside.